Link and unlink. Right now, our text layer is independent from the main video, meaning if we move the video, the text won't follow. To keep them together, we use the link feature. Simply just click link. Now, when you move the video, the text will stay attached and move along with it. If you ever need to move just the main video without affecting the text, simply click unlink. Now you can reposition the clip while the text remains in place. This feature helps maintain alignment when editing. Adjustment presets. Let's color correct this video. First, go to Adjust and start tweaking the settings. I'll slightly increase brightness, lower contrast, boost saturation, sharpen the image, add some shadows, and increase the vignette. Now you can see the difference. But here's something 90% of people don't know. You can save these settings as a preset in CapCut. To do this, go to Presets and click Save as Preset. Now, these adjustments are saved, so you can quickly apply them to another project without redoing everything. To test it, I'll delete the adjustment layer. Now, go to Adjust Presets, select the saved preset 0, and just like that, our preset appears on the timeline. No need to manually color correct again, just import your preset in one click. Custom text color. To change the color of a specific part of your text, simply select the part of your text you want to change, like this. Then go to Style, choose your color, and that's it. As you can see, it's a quick and easy trick. You can pick any color you like to match your style. Next, round corners. There's no official method to round the corners of your video or image in CapCut, but you can easily do it using the mask tool. Go to the mask option and click on it. Select rectangle from the mask options. Adjust the size and width to fit your video or image. Now click on Setting, Round Corners, and increase it. Done. Now you have round corners. Next is video quality. To improve the quality of your video or image, follow these simple steps. Go to the video quality option. Next, select image quality and increase it. Wait for it to load, and once it's done, your video or image will have noticeably better quality, just like this. It's a quick and easy way to enhance your visuals with just a few clicks. Next is multi-select. If you've added multiple text layers to your project and need to delete them all, there's no need to remove them one by one. Instead, use the multi-select feature. Tap on multi-select to select multiple text layers at once. Scroll to the left side and you'll see the delete button. Click delete and all selected text layers will be removed instantly. It's a quick and efficient way to clean up your project with just one click. AI Replace. CapCut's AI tools are game changers, allowing you to edit without needing third-party websites. Select your image and go to AI Replace. Click on the second option and use the brush tool to highlight the cat's collar or any other part you want to change. Enter your prompt, then click Generate. Wait a few moments and you'll get 4 variations to choose from. I'll select this one. It looks amazing. Now let's try AI Expand to extend the background. Click on AI Expand and choose the aspect ratio based on your platform. Hit Generate and in a few moments, have the background expand seamlessly. It looks incredibly realistic. Not AI generated at all. Finally, let's use AI Remove to delete a person from the image. Brush over the person you want to remove. Click the Remove button and wait for it to process. And wow, the background is so clean, you'd never know a cat was there. It's honestly better than most AI remover tools out there. CapCut's AI tools make editing faster, easier, and more professional, all without needing extra software.